we'll be driving to the end of this road to emerge to the left. We need to start out by recognizing where the junction is. Now we can already see the houses at the end of the road, and on approach we'd see hazard warning lines leading up to the junction. I've just paused the video so we can have a look at the approach. On approach to this junction, we'll be applying the MSPSL routine. Now, very often I'm asked, when should I start the process? When should I start applying the MSPSL routine? Now, the answer to that question would be, your instructor may say a certain number of car lengths, but a better or different way of doing it is leading up to the hazard warning lines and come off the accelerator, and then start applying my MSPSL routine. So the hazard warning lines is a very good guide as to when you should start applying the MSPSL routine. So on approach, we check the center left door mirror signal to the left. Now for our positioning, we'd either position in the center of our lane or a door's width from the curb, whichever keeps us closer. Now, because our lane is quite wide, on this occasion, we'd normally look at positioning about a door's width from the curb. Now, as you can see, we have a silver car parked towards the end of the junction, so we will correct our positioning after overtaking the parked car. We also need to start observing as early as you possibly can. So on approach, we'll look right, left, and we'll continue to observe. Now at this junction, we'll be dealing with a giveaway. Now, in short, a giveaway means we need to give way to any traffic on the new road. So on approach, if we do recognize that it's safe for us to emerge, we don't necessarily have to stop. Starting out, your instructor may ask you to stop at the giveaway, regardless of what's happening on the new road. We have covered dealing with giveaways in another video. Make sure you start steering with the shape of the curb, so staying reasonably close to the curb as you make the turn. Continue to observe whilst waiting at the giveaway and even after you've decided to commit to the new road. We've completed the turn, so check the center right door, left door mirror and drive on.